Pickup trucks are supposed to be durable, dependable, and worth the money long after the payments stop. Too many modern trucks miss that mark. This list isn't about brand loyalty, nostalgia, or marketing hype. It's based on long-term reliability data, real owner complaints, recall histories, drivetrain failures, repair costs, and real-world resale value. Some of these trucks look great on paper and drive well when new, but fall apart once the warranty fades. If you plan to keep your truck, tow regularly, or avoid constant shop visits, these are the pickups you should think twice about buying right now. The Honda Ridgeline is often marketed as a smart, lifestyle-friendly pickup, but for buyers who actually need a real truck, it comes with serious compromises. Its towing capacity lags far behind traditional body-on-frame rivals, making it a weak choice for hauling trailers, boats, or work equipment. The all-wheel drive system, while smooth on pavement, is built for light-duty use and has shown fragility when pushed in mud, snow, or heavy towing situations, leading to costly drivetrain repairs. Add in complex electronics, limited aftermarket support, and long-term ownership, and it can get expensive fast. Worse, the Ridgeline suffers from poor resale value because many truck buyers see it as neither a true pickup nor a serious off-road vehicle, leaving owners eating depreciation when it's time to sell. The new generation Nissan Frontier has plenty of rugged truck styling and competitive specs on paper, but its real-world reputation has been dragged down by persistent mechanical concerns. Owners have reported transmission issues ranging from hesitant shifts to unexpected jolts, undermining confidence in the drivetrain and turning everyday driving into a source of frustration. Steering problems, including wandering feel and inconsistent feedback, further detract from what should be a capable and engaging pickup experience. These reliability questions, combined with a crowded mid-size truck segment, have also hurt the Frontier's resale value, which tends to drop faster than many rivals. For buyers focused on long-term ownership and strong retained value, these red flags make the latest Frontier a tougher recommendation despite its appealing looks and features. The 2022 to 2024 Toyota Tundra with the twin-turbo V6 promised modern performance and efficiency, but real-world ownership has exposed troubling reliability issues that tarnish Toyota's tough reputation. A pattern of turbocharger failures has emerged, leading to costly repairs and unexpected downtime, a stark contrast to the bulletproof reliability many buyers expect from a Tundra. Compounding the problem, multiple engine-related recalls have hit this generation, shaking consumer confidence and raising questions about long-term durability. Compared to the old naturally aspirated V8, which was known for rugged simplicity and longevity, the new twin-turbo V6 has proven far less robust in daily use. For buyers prioritizing proven dependability and low ownership costs, these reliability setbacks make the latest Tundra's powertrain a significant concern. The Ford F-150's 10-speed automatic promised smooth, modern performance, but many owners report everyday headaches with hard, clunky shifts and gear hunting that undermines confidence behind the wheel. Across online forums and repair guides, drivers report rough or delayed engagement and inconsistent gear shifts, particularly in earlier model years, and multiple technical service bulletins and recalls haven't fully resolved the issues. Some trucks still require major transmission work well before hitting 100,000 miles, with rebuilds or replacements costing thousands of dollars when problems persist. These ongoing complaints and documented repair costs make the 10-speed a notable reliability concern for F-150 buyers focused on long-term ownership. The new generation Chevrolet Colorado has drawn growing reliability concerns that buyers should take seriously. A notable number of owners report turbo engine failures, which can lead to expensive repairs and unplanned downtime on trucks that are still relatively new. The automatic transmission often exhibits rough shifting and gear hesitation, detracting from confidence and comfort during daily driving. On top of the mechanical issues, many drivers experience electrical glitches, from flickering displays to intermittent sensor errors that undermine the truck's tech and safety features. These problems have led to a high volume of early warranty claims, suggesting that issues aren't confined to a few outliers. For shoppers prioritizing durability and trouble-free ownership, the latest Colorado's early fault pattern is difficult to ignore. The GMC Canyon may look like a refined midsize truck, but under the skin it shares the same problematic drivetrain as the Chevrolet Colorado, including transmission hesitation, occasional rough shifting, and reports of engine-related complaints that have eroded owner confidence. Because the Canyon and Colorado are mechanical twins, their shared chassis and powertrain woes translate directly to Canyon ownership, leaving buyers with the same unresolved reliability questions. On top of that, many Canyon owners encounter infotainment system failures, from frozen screens to connectivity glitches and random resets that turn simple tasks like navigation and phone pairing into daily frustrations. Combine these electronics gremlins with the carryover drivetrain concerns, and the Canyon feels less like a premium truck and more like a pricey model with disappointing reliability. The Tesla Cybertruck's real-world durability is still largely unproven, as it's just started to reach buyers and faces design questions that haven't fully played out over years of ownership. Consumer reliability data show the Cybertruck has had multiple recalls and quality complaints, and the vehicle has been subject to numerous National Highway Traffic Safety Administration recall actions for issues ranging from electrical faults to exterior panels that could detach while driving. Its unconventional exoskeleton can make body repairs complex and costly because panels aren't easily replaced as they are on traditional trucks. While some owners report trouble-free driving, early reports of motor or electrical problems and repeated recalls suggest reliability remains a concern, and repairs on high-tech EVs like this can be expensive compared with conventional pickup work. The Rivian R1T has become known for a barrage of recalls and reliability complaints that leave many owners frustrated rather than impressed. The truck has seen numerous recalls, including nearly 20,000 pickups for a rear suspension service error and over 24,000 vehicles for software faults in its hands-free highway assist system, one of the highest recall counts of any modern truck. On the tech front, owners frequently report software crashes and glitches that freeze screens or disrupt vehicle functions, making everyday use less dependable. There are also suspension faults and reported charging issues after updates, and plenty of early warranty claims for electrical and HVAC problems. This pattern of recalls and malfunctions contributes to questions about the R1T's long-term durability and ownership experience. The 2024-2026 Ford Ranger redesign has drawn reliability complaints that go beyond just fresh styling and updated tech. Many owners and reliability surveys note transmission hesitation and rough shifting from the 10-speed automatic, with jerky gear changes and occasional noise or delay during acceleration, issues linked to both hardware and software calibration. Alongside driveline concerns, there are reports of turbocharger and engine-related faults, especially on smaller displacement turbo engines that generate more heat and place greater stress on the engine. Software-controlled drivetrain bugs, including recalls for transmission valve body defects and camera display glitches, add another layer of frustration by triggering warning lights or requiring dealer visits. For buyers hoping for a trouble-free mid-size truck, these early issues could dampen the appeal. The Ram 1500 2019-2024 has earned a mixed reputation with several notable reliability concerns. Many owners report air suspension failures, with compressors and air springs breaking down, and costly repairs that can run well into the hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Electrical gremlins and infotainment glitches are common, including frozen screens, erratic warning lights, and buggy software that frustrates owners and sometimes requires dealer intervention. There have also been numerous recalls affecting braking, electronics, and steering components across these model years, underscoring ongoing quality issues. Combined with the premium price of parts and labor at independent shops or dealerships, these faults contribute to expensive repairs that make long-term ownership less satisfying than many buyers expect. The Nissan Titan final years hits the market with a blend of shortcomings that make its swan song less appealing for truck buyers. Despite a loyal following, many owners and reviewers cite poor build quality, from rattling panels to inconsistent fit and finish that feels dated next to more refined rivals. The tech suite also lags behind competitors, with outdated infotainment and driver assist systems that fall short in responsiveness and features. These factors, combined with weak resale value, mean Titan owners often take a larger depreciation hit than owners of other full-size pickups. Under the hood, frequent drivetrain issues, ranging from rough shifting to transmission complaints and occasional engine glitches, have been common enough to erode confidence. For shoppers focused on long-term ownership and modern tech, the Titan's final run leaves much to be desired. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with the 8-speed automatic has been widely reported to suffer from torque converter shudder and related transmission issues, where the truck can feel like it's riding over rumble strips or shifting harshly during acceleration, a symptom tied to the torque converter clutch and fluid problems in these units. Owners and technicians frequently recommend multiple fluid flushes or even torque converter replacement to address the shudder, and in some cases, these components start failing under relatively low mileage. Alongside the rough shifting feel and clutch control glitches, major transmission repairs or replacements have been reported before 80,000 miles on affected Silverados, contributing to long-term reliability concerns with this 8-speed design. The GMC Sierra 1500 may carry premium branding, but under the skin, it shares the same mechanical problems as its Chevrolet Silverado sibling, with many owners reporting familiar issues that undermine reliability. One of the most talked about concerns is lifter failures, which can cause ticking noises, rough idle, and expensive repairs when the valve train doesn't operate smoothly. These engine ailments aren't isolated, and they've led to plenty of early warranty claims and dealer visits. On the tech side, the Sierra also suffers from electronics glitches, from frozen infotainment screens and erratic camera behavior to intermittent warning lights and sensor errors that complicate daily use. Because GMC and Chevy trucks are largely engineered together, these shared faults make the Sierra's ownership experience feel more like badge vanity than mechanical confidence. The Ford F-150 Hybrid Power Boost blends strong performance and utility with a troubled reliability track record, as many owners and surveys highlight it as a concern. Consumer Reports has repeatedly ranked the Power Boost among the least reliable full-size trucks, with problems cited across the hybrid battery, transmission, drive system, and electronics accessories. Real-world owner reports include hybrid battery failures requiring replacement, 12-volt and state of charge issues that leave the truck unable to start, and warning messages like "Stop safely now" that can strand vehicles until serviced. There are also frequent mentions of transmission glitches and software-related drivetrain behavior, which, together with the hybrid system's complexity, make long-term ownership of the hybrid system powerful but failure-prone compared with conventional F-150 engines. The Jeep Gladiator 2023 to 2026 has developed a reputation as one of the least reliable trucks on the market, plagued by a mix of persistent quality issues that frustrate owners. Many Gladiator drivers report chronic electronical failures, including dashboard and infotainment glitches, random warning lights, and systems that intermittently go offline. Steering problems, from wandering feel to inconsistent feedback, further detract from what should be a rugged off-road pickup. Add in leaking roofs and cab seals, especially on models with removable tops, and the Gladiator's build quality concerns become even harder to ignore. These issues have led to constant recalls and frequent dealer visits to address hardware and software faults. For buyers focused on long-term dependability and low ownership hassles, the Gladiator's persistent problems make it a tough recommendation.